Welcome to your dream home in the desirable Summerfield subdivision. Custom built by Chad Daigle Building Contractors. This stunning new residence is built. Living square feet 1872 plus / home features a spacious split open floor plan, perfect for modern living. With 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, the versatile 4th bedroom can easily transform into an office, playroom, or gaming retreat to suit your lifestyle. The luxurious master suite boasts an ensuite bathroom with a separate custom shower, a gorgeous soaking tub framed by a picturesque window, and his and hers vanities. You'll love the spacious walk-in closet and the high ceilings with crown moldings, enhanced by a tray design. On the opposite side, discover 3 additional bedrooms that provide ample space and privacy. The heart of the home unfolds in the hallway that flows into the kitchen, dining, and den areas, highlighted by stacked crown moldings, gorgeous fireplace with built-in media or bookshelves, large picture windows. The open concept kitchen has a large island bar topped with elegant quartz countertops. The custom-built kitchen cabinets, storage and stainless steel appliances, including a dishwasher and stove/oven combo with a chic range hood and splash guard, make this space a chef's delight. Enjoy the natural light pouring in through picture windows that lead to a large, covered patio in the backyard, complete with a stunning cypress wood ceiling and solid wood columns. The double garage with a remote opener and extra storage area adds convenience, while security lights and custom-built shutters ensure peace of mind during storms. Set on a generous lot measuring 70 feet by 133 feet x 70 feet x 153 feet, this home offers a spacious backyard for outdoor activities and gatherings. Located in the highly sought-after Mulberry School District and just minutes from shopping, churches, schools and banks, this home is the perfect blend of comfort,